Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be taking a look at the PowerCore 15600 portable power bank from Anker. The PowerCore 15600, as the name would suggest, has a capacity of 15,600 mAh, which is sufficient for about 4 full charges of the average smartphone. There are dual output ports, so it's capable of charging 2 devices at the same time, and it features Anker's PowerIQ technology to ensure that devices are charged at the fastest possible speed. Let's get started with the unboxing. The first thing that we find inside the box is a mesh pouch to protect the power bank from damage while on the move. There's also a welcome guide, support phone numbers, and a safety information leaflet. There's only one cable included, which is a micro USB to USB Type A. This is fine for charging the power bank itself, but if you want to charge a device with a Lightning or USB-C port, then you'll need to supply your own cable. Moving on to the power bank itself, it's a very simple, clean design with a black textured finish that's resistant to fingerprints. 4 LEDs indicate the remaining capacity, and there's a discrete Anker logo embossed on the top. On the end we have 2 USB-A outputs for charging devices and a single micro USB input for charging the power bank. For a size comparison, here it is next to the Anker PowerCore 10000. As you can see, width and depth are basically identical, but the PowerCore 15600 is about twice as long. So if you're looking for something more compact, the PowerCore 10000 may well be a better option. It takes around 9 to 10 hours for the power bank to charge fully from empty, which is a long time, but not actually too bad given the capacity of the charger. I tend to leave it charging overnight. The total combined output is 4.8 amps, with the 2 USB-A ports capable of delivering 5 volts at 2.4 amps each, or 12 watts maximum. Although the PowerCore 15600 isn't quick charge compatible, it uses a combination of Anker's own PowerIQ and voltage boost technologies, which communicate with the device being charged to determine the maximum amount of power that the device can take in order to charge as quickly as possible, up to the limit of the charger's maximum output. Overall, the Anker PowerCore 15600 is a very good power bank with a large capacity that's reliable and very sturdy. I've been using this one now for over a year, and despite having been dropped on numerous occasions, it's still going strong. If you're looking for a good quality, reliable power bank with a large capacity, and you don't mind the lack of USB Type-C, the PowerCore 15600 is a very good choice. That's it for this video, thanks for watching.